Hi guys, this section we will see how can we change the voltage rating of a panel already prepared within the Rivet software. Last class we have seen how to generate voltage definitions and distribution systems. The voltage rating of the panel can be changed only after once you prepare those voltage definitions and distribution systems. We have an architectural file linked into a system default metric template. Please refer our previous videos to know about linking in Rivet software. In this drawing, we are going to place a panel board 480 volt. Don't forget to define voltage and distribution systems. Please refer our previous videos for the same, how the voltage and distribution systems are defined. Here you can see the panel board we installed is of rating 480 volt, where we are going to use 415 volt as per Indian standard. So the distribution system in the toolbar is only having 480 bar 277Y, but our requirement is 415 bar 240Y. Let us see how it can be changed. For that, first go to the family of the panel installed. You can either double click on this one or you can select the edit family option from the top of your screen. Now the family of the panel is open. Here you can see a circle. It is known as electrical connection point for the panel board. Once you select the connector, your instance property bar has changed. It is changed to connector element, where you can find voltage, number of poles, power factor, etc. Here we will change 480 volt to 415 volt. Okay. Once you apply the value, load this family to our project and overwrite the existing version and its parameter values. Now if you click on this panel, you can see in the drop down option of distribution system for 15 bar 240Y. Now you can apply it for our panel. Here you can increase the maximum single pole breaker numbers for that electrical panel. You can change the circuit naming, you can change the short circuit rating, and all the values you can change which is best to suit for your project requirement. That's for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos.